or unfair. Lily of valleys blooming there. As the lily among thorns, so be, so is my love among the family.
As the apple tree among trees so wide, so is my beloved by my side. I sat in his shade with joy so sweet. His fruit to my taste was a precious treat.
He brought me into his banqueting hall. His banner of love was over all. Strengthen me with raisins, refresh me with wine, for I am fain with love divine. His left hand beneath me head so true. His right hand embrace me, love renew.
Oh, daughters of Zion, hear me voice. Don't stir up love before its choice.
Listen, me beloved comes with speed, leaping on mountains like a steed, like a gazelle or a young hart run over the hills, me chosen one.
Behold, he standeth by the wall. Looking through lattice, me hear him call.
Rise up, my love, me fair one, come. The winter is past, the spring has come. The flowers appear, the songbirds sing, the voice of the turtle in our land ring. The fig tree ripens, vines give cheer. Arise, my love, the time is here. Oh, my dove, and the rock so high, let me see your face, hear your cry.
Sweet is your voice, your countenance fair. Show me your beauty everywhere.
Catch us the foxes, little and sly, spoiling the vineyards as they pass by.
For our vineyards blossom strong.
Protect the fruit, keep love long. My beloved is mine and I am his, feeding among the lilies with bliss, until the day breaks and shadows flee. Come back, beloved, return to me.
Like a gazelle or stag, you run on mountains of spice till the day is done. Like a gazelle or stag, you run on mountains of spice till the day is done. Like a gazelle